For judgment, item number 33.
Writ petition dismissed.
May I place your lordship?
Yes, please.
My lord, I may be allowed to move one urgent unlisted motion.
What is the urgency?
Tomorrow is DB.
It's all right. We can list it tomorrow.
Friday is a holiday. And this is pertaining to the job reservation pertaining to Yamkyong and Dikir tribe. And the examination is slated to be set on Saturday, preliminary examination. Government has issued a notification recognizing Dikir tribe as a separate tribe. Accordingly, the 25% reservation quota, which is meant for the 6 Eastern Naka tribes, it has increased to 7. So government has issued a notification on 23rd March 2022 to allocate proportionately to all the 7 tribes of Eastern Nagaland. But instead of doing that, they have given only maintained among the 6 tribes. Therefore, a writ petition was filed. And then this Honorable Court has issued a direction to strictly comply with the notification of 23rd March 2022. However, very unfortunate situation happened. The order was passed on 26 September 2023, but it was uploaded only on 29th. In between this period, between these 3 days, on 27th, the NPC has issued the advertisement without complying to the order. Of course, by that time, they have not received the order. But this Honorable Court has already passed the judgment and order. So the present writ petition is only seeking a direction to the NPC to issue a corrigendum so as to comply with the notification and the order passed by this Honorable Court.
We'll list it tomorrow.
There is no
We'll list it tomorrow.
lordship. Tomorrow I have unavoidable difficulty, lordship.
You have so many juniors, and we'll hear it. Those issues, I think, let us not decide hastily. Let me also see.
Otherwise, yes. Otherwise, the order passed by this Honorable Court is very clear.
Yes.
The order will speak by itself.
Irrespective of whether tomorrow is DB, we'll list it tomorrow.
Lordship.
Yes. We'll list
Obliged,
it.
lordship.
Yes.
Then. My general president.
Yes, yes, it's all right.
Obliged.
May I please lordship?
Yes,
My lord, I beg to mention hearing item number 25 on behalf of Sabuna Chang, my lord. Kindly list the matter after 2 weeks more.
on the prayer of the learned government advocate, listed after 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 and 21, your Lordship.
20,
21, your Lordship.
21,
20 and 21, your Lordship.
one by one.
Your Lordship. 20,
Item,
20, your Lordship. Lordship, if the matter can be listed after 1 week, your Lordship.
you're the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after a week.
Similar prayer for item number 21, your
Same prayer for item 21.
Lordship. March.
Okay.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
I beg to mention item number 19.
item,
19, Your Lordship, of the hearing list.
yes,
Only this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
you're the counsel for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. I have
Yes.
similar prayer for item number 22 also, Your Lordship.
Item 22, similar prayer. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 27, your Lordship. This matter may kindly be listed after 2 weeks, your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned government advocate, listed after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, I also like to make a prayer on behalf of Livika, your Lordship. Item 24, your Lordship. This may be listed after 3 weeks, your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned government advocate, listed after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, also item 28 to 32 on behalf of K. Angami, your Lordship. This may be listed next week, your Lordship.
On the prayer of the learned government advocate, listed after a week.
My lord, if this can be fixed on 20 November,
Listed on
20, 20, 20.
listed on 2/20/11/2023. Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, your Lordship.
Yes,
Your
please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
Um,
My Lord, can you list this matter after 4 weeks?
You're the counsel for the,
I am for the petitioner.
on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 2 weeks.
For motion, item number 34.
May I please, your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner is that he was appointed as a W/C fixed labor white order dated 9/12/97 under the establishment of executive engineer PWD within bracket housing division, Twingsang, Nagaland, and was posted at Longland, Nagaland. It is the case of the petitioner that he has been serving in the department for over 26 years. The petitioner has submitted the representation dated 18/8/2023, seeking for scale of pay. As he has been serving and discharging the duties and responsibilities as other employees who are appointed in grade 4 post and are enjoying the pay scale. So The representation of the petitioner has however not been considered. Being agreed, the petitioner is before this court. MS Esmeri appears on behalf of
All the respondents.
all the respondents, therefore no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned senior government advocate within
Two things, Lordship.
a period of 2 days from today. Just say date of appointment and all this, you just same. Okay.
For motion, item number 38.
Yes,
Your Lordship, same matter is 35 to 36,
35,
34 to 36.
35, 36, same order.
Yes.
For motion, item number 37.
This is. This is. You withdraw your writ petition. Who has drafted this petition for you?
Your
You,
Lordship.
you are agreed by the recommendation of Yangcha Se Sanctum.
Yes,
You have not implemented this necessary party,
Your Lordship.
and the government has not taken any steps on the recommendation. The principal director has written to the commissioner secretary for a resitting, correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, so the petition is premature. You withdraw,
Okay, Lord.
Mr. So-and-so. The learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed to withdraw the petition with liberty to file afresh.
Much.
For motion, item number 38.
This also you withdraw.
Lordship,
You withdraw.
Lordship, this matter may be taken together along with item number.
You withdraw this petition. What is your prayer?
Lordship,
What is your prayer? Read your prayer. There is no prayer. What is your prayer?
Lordship may graciously be pleased to grant a stay of the notice letter.
You are actually impugning the lease agreement entered between the government and the other Polo Towers.
Yes, Lordship.
You have not actually where is your relief against that lease agreement?
Lordship, on dated 6 September 2022.
You please take the guidance of some of the lawyers who are regularly practicing in the High Court and come. You also see whether actually your petition is amenable to the jurisdiction under Article 226. You want enforcement of the conditions of the lease agreement. Mr. So-and-so is allowed to withdraw the petition with liberty to file a petition. Yes.
For motion, item number 39.
Mr. Mojamir, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. the case of the petitioner in brief is that he was initially appointed as constable within brigade computer operator on temporary basis under the establishment of the Inspector General of Police within brigade INT against existing vacancy. Stop. While serving in the same capacity, while serving in the said post, a complaint was lodged on 13/12/2012 before the State Crime Police Station, PHQ, Nagaland, against the petitioner, alleging that the petitioner has made a false claim of rupees 4,405,795, 4,05,795.00 for the treatment of his mother at GNRC Hospital, Gauhati, from 8/11/2011 to 30/12/2011. Stop. Consequent thereupon, a case was registered against the petitioner and subsequently trial was conducted before the court of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Kohima. And on completion of the trial, the petitioner was convicted by the judgment dated 25/9/2023 and sentenced to undergo 3 years imprisonment, 3 years of imprisonment with fine. Against the order of conviction, the petitioner appealed before the learned Session Judge Kohima, and the same was admitted for hearing. It is the case of the petitioner that the appeal is pending disposal, and the appellate court has suspended the conviction and released the petitioner on bail by order dated 13/9/2023. Stop. The respondent number 3, by the impugn order dated 12/3/20.
Lordship, if it can be read as 12/10/2023, Lordship. There's a typographical error, Lordship. However, in the main petition, it is written as 12/10, Lordship.
By the impugn order dated 12/10/2023. 12/10/2023. Passed in exercise of the power conferred under Part 4 of the Nagaland Service within Brigade Discipline and Appeal Rules 1967. Has dismissed the petitioner with immediate effect. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the penalty is prescribed under Rule 7 of the Rules 1967 cannot be imposed without conducting a proper inquiry. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in the present case, no charges were framed, nor inquiry conducted by the disciplinary authority as contemplated under the rules. But the order dated 12/10/2023 was issued dismissing the petitioner from service. It is further the case of the petitioner that the conviction on criminal charges does not automatically entail dismissal, removal, or reduction in rank of the government service, of the government servant. And it is not mandatory to impose the major penalties. And therefore, it is not mandatory to impose any of the major penalties prescribed in the rules of 1967. Stop. Being aggrieved by the order dated 12/10/2023 dismissing the petitioner from service, the present writ petition has been filed. Who is for the government? MS Inaholi appears on behalf of the state respondents.
1 to 3, Your Lordship.
State respondent,
1, 2, and 3.
One, two, and three. And therefore no formal notice need be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate when
During the course of the day, Lordship.
in the course of the day, listed accordingly.
Lordship, if your Lordship may kindly consider my interim prayer
What is your interim?
to stay the impugned
No.
dismissal order, Lordship.
Let us see next.
Lordship.
For admission,
Lordship.
item numbers 1, 2, 4.
Your Lordship, on behalf of additional AG, V. Sokrat, I pray that the matter may be listed for after 3 weeks.
On the prayer of the learned government advocate listed after 2 weeks. What is the reason?
She is engaged in a principal seat, Your Lordship.
Have you filed your affidavit
No, yet to file the counter.
listed after
3
2 weeks for enabling the state respondents to file affidavit in opposition? Okay.
Obliged.
For admission, item number 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Praying on behalf of AIME. Your Lordship, here the pleadings is complete, so this may be listed in the usual course.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Stop, listed for hearing in the usual course.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
For admission, item numbers 6 to 9.
Kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file counter, Your Lordship.
The learned government advocate is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly.
Much obliged. Your Lordship.
For admission, item number 10.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time.
You are for the respondent?
Respondent number 4. Our additional affidavit is ready, but we have sent for signature. Regarding the letter dated 15/5/20.
The learned counsel for the respondent number 4. 6 for 2 weeks time to file additional affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 11.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here, we're yet to file a reply, Your Lordship. 3 weeks time be given, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply, listed accordingly.
May I please, Your Lordship, my note this matter will be listed along with 168 of 2022.
68.
168 of 2022.
168 of
2022.
2022. The present writ petition be listed along with WPC 168/2022. Okay.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 12.
Yes.
Yes, made this your Lordship. Lordship, I have to attend the signature in the state council. Only got up 2 weeks time.
Okay. Mr. Moa Imchen, the learned senior government advocate, submits that the affidavit in opposition has been sent for waiting, and therefore the case may be listed after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
For admission, item number 13.
Your Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks time to file my affidavit in opposition.
The
Lordship.
learned government advocate,
We're just praying for disposal of the application, Your Lordship.
disposal of
The application filed by the petitioner in 2019, Your Lordship.
application is for,
Commission appointment, Your Lordship. Lordship, if final chance be given, Your Lordship.
okay. The learned government advocate is granted the last chance to file the affidavit in opposition. Listed after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 14.
Please, Your Lordship,
Yes,
kindly grant 2 weeks time to file a reply to respondent number 4.
okay. Respondent number 4.
Yes.
What
Your
about the government?
The government is yet to file, so kindly grant 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. MS Wickets on your.
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS Wickets on your. The learned counsel for the petitioner, 6-4,
3 weeks, Your
3
Lordship.
weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4.
Yes.
Stop. MS. Inauli, the learned government advocate. Also 6-4, 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner as well as the learned government advocate are allowed 3 weeks time to file the respective affidavit.
Lordship, interim may be allowed to continue.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay. Yes,
For admission, item number 15.
May I please, member?
yes, Mr. Nangami.
Lordship, the state is imputed as respondent number 1 to 5 in the present writ petition. Lordship, the state is yet to file its counter affidavit. However, your lordship, the case may already be in fractures.
In
And
fractures.
yes, your lordship may allow me to give a short submission as to why I'm submitting as such, your lordship. The present writ petition relates to removal of the petitioner as village council chairman. Now, your lordship, since I have not filed my affidavit in opposition, your lordship, I'm not going to the merit as to why he was removed, but as to how he was removed, your lordship. The petitioner was removed after convening a special session as per the Act of the Village Council Act 1978. Now, your lordship, by an order dated 25/7 provisions of the Act of the Nagaland Village Council Act 1978. The petitioner are here before this court challenging that removal order, your lordship. Now, your lordship, the matter was moved on dated, your lordship, 25/8/2023. And in the interim, your lordship, this court has directed that the state respondent shall not fill up the post of the chairman of the village council, Yoruba village, either by way of selection or election till the next returnable date. Your lordship. Now, lordship, there was a subsequent development thereafter, your lordship, by another order, your lordship, by another order dated 30 September 2023. The petitioner was removed from as members of the village council. He was removed as the chairman of the village council, and therefore he has approached this honorable court against the removal order as the chairman of the village council. Your lordship, by another order, 30 September 2023, he was removed as the member of the village council. Now, your lordship, when the matter was listed on the 17/10/2023, your lordship, this particular
Who has removed him as the member?
deputy commissioner, your lordship. Now, this particular order dated 30 September 2023 was placed before this honorable court, your lordship.
Mr. Nangami,
Lordship.
whether the deputy commissioner has the competency to remove the petitioner as the member?
Yes, your lordship.
Under which provision?
Lordship, if it is approved by the government of, by the government under section, your lordship, under section 9 of the Village Council Act 1978.
Is it not for the government to remove the member?
Yes, subsequent to the under the letterhead GAB 6 27/5/98 dated 26 September 2023, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Now here, Your Lordship, in this removal order, Your Lordship, the state government has inadvertently committed an error.
What is that?
The error was, Your Lordship, in the order, again, it was reiterated that he is removed from the village council chairman as well. He was already removed, Your Lordship. And therefore, he was here before this court. But this is an inadvertent error that we have committed, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship was gracious enough to grant time to the state respondent to rectify the errors that we have committed, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship, by a corrigendum dated 19/10/2023, the inadvertent errors that we have committed by inserting the sentence that he has been removed from the village council chairman has been rectified. If I may be allowed to place this.
You file an affidavit, short affidavit. You file a short affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because I think your submission, which you are making before the court, I think needs to be in the form of an affidavit.
Lordship. However, Your Lordship, why I'm submitting all this is because village council chairman, a person can become a chairman of the village council only when he is a member of the village council. Now, when his membership has already been removed, Your Lordship, this case is pertaining only to the removal of the village council chairman, this present writ petition, Your Lordship. And therefore, this petition has become infructuous, Your Lordship.
So you file an affidavit, we will consider that. You
Lordship.
file an affidavit.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to make a submission, Lordship. Lordship, as my learned counsel have made a submission.
We are giving him time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr. N. Angami, the learned senior government advocate is granted 2 weeks' time.
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Short affidavit. Short affidavit. Yeah, I think you don't have to wreck your brains.
Your Lordship, if for
Okay, it's
enough
granted
requestion, Your Lordship.
3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents.
I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
This, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Mozoy. I'm for respondent number 2, 3, and 4. I plead this matter may be listed after 4 weeks.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship.
Who are the parties? Who are the parties, Mr. Chiba?
My lord, I'm appearing for respondent number 1 and 2.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, my lord. I need 3 weeks time to file it.
The learned government advocate, as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 are allowed 2 weeks' time to file their affidavit in opposition. Okay.
No, my lord, 1 and 2.
Government advocate?
Yes, ma'am.
For admission, item number 17.
Please, Lordship.
Who's for the state?
May kindly grant me 3 weeks time, Your Lordship. I'm here to receive instructions, Your Lordship.
The government advocate is allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay.
I'm prepared, Your Lordship.
For orders, item number 18.
Please, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Tiba?
Yes, Lordship, the step is already taken.
Yes, whether you have filed your affidavit?
No, my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Wisdom only, my lord.
Oh.
The Lordship, may kindly allow 3 weeks time to file my.
No, Lordship, I'm already served in another notice to vacate
The
the.
learned government advocate is allowed 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay, next.
Lordship, if I'm allowed to make one submission.
What is that?
Lordship, I'm already served notice to vacate
Okay,
this.
okay, if you have served notice, let them file affidavit at least.
No, Lordship, the department, the respondent number 2 has already served a notice to me to vacate the tourist lodge, which I'm also illegally occupied by Lordship. And there.
You have, in connection with that, you have filed a writ petition and which was listed for motion.
Yes, Lordship.
You have not actually sought any relief. That is why you come, you have sufficient time, you have time till 18 December. You come with a fresh writ petition, we'll consider that.
Much obliged.
For hearing, item number 23.
Lordship, respondent 5 is not present, Your Lordship.
Respondent 5 has not.
Not present. Sir YP Gupta.
Your relief is against,
Lordship,
your relief is against,
Lordship, it's upon land acquisition.
no, your relief is against whom? State
It is,
or?
Yes, Your Lordship. If there is no,
Respondent number 5 has filed affidavit.
yes, Lordship, all the pleadings are completed, Your Lordship.
Pleadings completed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is in fact appearing for respondent number 5?
Sir YP Gupta.
Whether he has filed vakalatnama?
Yes, Your Lordship. On 14/8/2023. Yes, file is Vakalatnama.
YP Gupta, correct. MS Sansu. The learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. E. Tibapom, the learned government advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4. None appears for the respondent number 5. Although the record shows that Mr. YP Gupta has been engaged to represent the respondent number 5. it is made clear that if on the next date fixed, there is no representation on weeks.
Much obliged.
Albert की message दी। ये ना कि कोई दिक्कत नहीं। important है। और 10 थे ना